Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series. Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we are discussing binary search that is going to be applied on an array. You can see that we have a binary search function in here. The binary search function will be provided with an array, and also it will be provided with a key that we want to search. Then we also specify the low end of the array and the high end of the array. This is basically the range that we want to search the array for. Now let's go and see how the main function works. Here in the main function we have an array. It has the size of 15, which is defined in here, and all of the elements are initialized to 0. Then we want to create data for this array. For each index of the array, we will multiply 2 to that index and store it in the index. And basically that's how we created the data. The data will look something like this. It will start from 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and going on like that until 28. Now in here we are prompting the user to enter a number between 0 and 28, which will act as a key to be searched for. Then we are storing that key here in the key variable. And finally we want to find the result. The result will be stored in this result integer, and this result integer will run the binary search on the array A, and it's searching for the key, and the low end of the array, which is basically the start of the array, is 0, index 0 that we are providing, and the high end that we want to search in the array is the last element of the array, which is size -1, basically the last index of the array. And basically in this example we are searching the whole array by providing 0 and size -1. Then we see if the result was found. We are printing the subscript of that element of the array, and if it was not found, we say that it's not found. Now here we have a binary search function. Let's go and see how the binary search function works. You can see that it takes an array as an argument. It also takes a key and the low end and high end of the array, or the range that we want to search for. So as long as the low end is less than or equal to the high end, we want to find the middle of the array. So for us in this example, our low end is 0, our high end is 14, the middle ground is going to be 7. Then we are seeing that if the value of 7 matches the key. We can see that the value of 7 does not match the key. Then we are comparing whether the key is less than the middle value of the array. As you can see that it's not. In fact, it's larger than the middle element of the array. Then we need to bring some changes. Then we make our low end, or our low range of the search area of the array middle +1, which basically it starts from the element 8 until element 14. So our low end is element 8 and our high end is element 14, and the while loop will continue once again. It will try to find the middle element. It will see whether the middle element is matching, and if it's not, it will change the range once again. And as long as the low end of the array is less than or equal to the high end, we continue searching. The moment that the low end and the high end becomes the same value, then we stop the search and we are saying that the value was not found and return the value of -1. And that's how this binary search works. Now let's go and run the program, and let's provide the value of 25. You can see that the value of 25 was not found. Now let's go and provide some other value. Let's compile and run. Let's provide 12, and as you can see that 12 was found at subscript 6.